This is me versus a jet, y'all. I must admit, I made a lot of mistakes in this race, but come on, you gotta give it to a nigga. Like, yo, that's a goddamn jet. But just watch till the end though. Yo, he flew over my head so hard just now. That's what made me spin out. He flew over my head so hard. That what made me spin out just now. And as y'all can see, this the replay because I wasn't able to shoot the video while I was racing because I never thought this would have happened, but just watch the race. He's literally in first place. Throughout the entire race, he's in first place. I messed up right here. Boom. Flip the car. Still didn't give up though. Still didn't give up though. And here we go. And this is where he lost. Look at this. Look at him coming around. Look at him coming around. And I won that nigga. Ha! I'm not gonna stop it, look. So I'm gonna go back and look. That dude lost to me. He lost to me. He's so lost to me. He's so lost to me. He's so lost to me. Hey yo, that shit was crazy, you hear me? He's so lost to me. And I'm playing this shit on advance, not no baby boy shit. You feel me? Hell yeah.